Also, so we also have median compounds, because you need to put median compounds in these things to make them work, or else they're just pretty paperweights. They're all considered consumables. Some consume quicker than others, and we'll go into that. So now we're going to talk about median compounds. They're all considered consumables. We love median compounds.
Yeah.
All right. These are our printers. That's our ink, right?
Yeah.
So that's what you buy a printer for $400, and then you have to put $800 worth of ink in it. So that's why that's our focus. That's primarily what we sell. We sell more the consumables than the equipment because some of this equipment lasts for 50 years. People buy them once and that's that.